So waves are capable of a great amount of erosion, especially when we factor in that wave refraction that takes place, where they focus their energy on things sticking out further in the water. Here's an example of wave erosion of a headland, and we can see how it's undercutting the rocks here. We can kind of see from the side of the rock here where the highest waves hit this, and the waves are just pounding against this 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, all the time. They're just pounding against this. And it's not so much the water that's hitting these rocks that's eroding it, but the waves are lifting up small particles of sand or gravel, and they're just pounding it against this rock and just wearing down the base of it. So this would be an example of undercutting, undercutting, and that's how this rock is getting eroded by the waves. As this happens, as we mentioned, the headlands are the places sticking out furthest into the water. They're the ones actively being eroded. And sometimes as these headlands are being eroded away, we can just get a little remnant of the headlands that's sticking out into the ocean. And we call this a sea stack. So a sea stack used to be part of the headlands, but everything behind it, between it and the headlands, has been eroded away. And we're just left with this old piece of what used to be headlands now in the water that's called a sea stack. And we have some beautiful examples of sea stacks on the shoreline of Oregon. This is haystack rock here, and kind of a play on the word because it is a sea stack, but it looks kind of like a haystack. So it's called haystack rock, and that would be an example of a sea stack.